Yes, so one of the idea that we have to understand even deeper level, that the existence of humans on the planet is because of the solar energy, right? So everything that we do is all driven by solar energy, and my idea is that generation of solar electricity and consumption should not be really a big deal. It's part of our life, parts of day-to-day life. So the whole idea is that in the wake of climate change that is happening, it is important that we start doing more and more energy generation and consumption on solar energy. Or the best thing would be become independent in terms of electricity, particularly at home. And that can be done very easily with the decentralized form of generation, where not only that we generate our own electricity, but we create employment for the local community. The skill development will happen. It will help to the local economy. And therefore, this whole idea that I've been working about the energy Swaraj, that how we can all be self-sufficient and self-reliant as far as the energy is concerned. Okay, so first of all, the yatra that I'm taking, it's called Energy Swaraj Yatra. So it's a one part of the Gram Swaraj, you can say. And the second thing that I would like to mention, that it is not about the villages. First of all, it is about the everyone in the country, particularly more in urban areas, the community which actually consume more energy resources and responsible for higher amount of pollution and the carbon dioxide emission. So therefore, this actually is concerned with everyone. So my yatra is will going to some villages, but mostly it will remain in the towns and urban areas and talk to people, bring this sense that we need to adopt a solar energy solution immediately and completely. Now the government of India has been helping with the several projects. One is at the research level, we have a National Center for Photovoltaic Research and Education at IIT Bombay. That is one of the best research center in the country on the solar energy, which actually researches on all aspects of the solar technology, which is new materials, solar cell technology, module technology, power electronics, grid integration. Also on the implementation side, and this Energy Swaraj idea comes from the very big project that Government of India sanctioned, which is called Solar Urja through Localization for Sustainability. How do we involve local community so that the solutions are sustainable? And with that project, we have reached to about 7.5 million families and provided solar lamps. So that has also gave a lot of experiences that how it is empowering for the local community to get involved in the solar solutions, providing solutions, installation, repair, maintenance, so that this whole idea of Energy Swaraj is generated from such an experiment, which has happened at a very large scale and given us this insight.